Welcome back, our lovely learners. I am so happy to have you here today. I hope you are feeling great. May your day be filled with happiness, confidence, and wonderful opportunities to practice English. Thank you for joining me for another listening lesson. Today, we are going to practice one of the most useful real-life conversations, ordering food at a restaurant. Have you ever looked at a menu and wondered what to say? Have you ever wanted to order like a native speaker? If your answer is yes, then today's lesson is just for you. By the end of this lesson, you will understand a natural restaurant conversation. You will also learn useful vocabulary, everyday expressions, and common questions that people use in restaurants. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you enjoy learning English with us. Give this video a like and share it with your friends and family who are learning English. Your support helps us create more free lessons for English learners around the world. Now, are you ready? Let's begin. First, imagine this. It is Friday evening. You have just arrived at a cozy Italian restaurant. The smell of fresh pizza fills the air. People are chatting happily. Soft music is playing in the background. A friendly waiter walks towards your table with a warm smile. He hands you the menu. Then he says, "Good evening. Welcome to Bella Restaurant. We have a variety of delicious dishes today. What can I get for you?" Listen carefully, one more time. Good evening. Welcome to Bella Restaurant. We have a variety of delicious dishes today. What can I get for you? Did you catch that? Excellent. Now, let us learn some important vocabulary. Menu, waiter, customer, order, dish, restaurant. These are excellent words to remember. I especially like the word dish. Native speakers use it all the time instead of saying food. Let us repeat it together. Dish, dish. Wonderful. Next, let us become the customer. Take a deep breath. Imagine you are sitting at the table. The waiter is waiting politely. Now it is your turn to answer. You can say, "I would like the grilled chicken with rice, please." Or, "I will have the pasta with tomato sauce." Or, "Can I have the cheeseburger and French fries, please?" Listen again. I would like the grilled chicken with rice, please. One more time. I would like the grilled chicken with rice, please. Great job. That sounds very natural. After that, the waiter asks another question. Would you like something to drink? Listen carefully. Would you like something to drink? How would you answer? Maybe. Yes, please. I would like a glass of water. Or, I will have a cup of hot tea. Or, orange juice, please. Excellent. Now let us learn a few more useful expressions. Would you like? I would like. Can I have? Something to drink. A glass of water. These expressions are fantastic. My favorite one is I would like. It sounds polite, friendly, and natural. Let us say it again. I would like. I would like. Perfect. Next, imagine the waiter smiles and asks another question. Are you ready to order? Listen carefully. Are you ready to order? You can answer. Yes. I am ready. Or, could I have a few more minutes, please? That is another excellent expression. Let us repeat it. Could I have a few more minutes, please? Wonderful. Native speakers use this expression very often. After that, your meal arrives. The waiter carefully places the food on your table. Everything smells amazing. The waiter smiles and says, "Enjoy your meal." You smile back and reply, "Thank you very much. The food looks delicious." Can you imagine that moment? You take your first bite. It tastes wonderful. Learning English becomes much easier when you imagine real situations like this. Now let us learn today's next vocabulary. Delicious. Enjoy your meal. Take a bite. Taste wonderful. Polite. I especially love the phrase enjoy your meal. People use it every day in restaurants. Let us repeat it together. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Excellent. Now, let us practice a complete conversation. Waiter, good evening. Welcome. What can I get for you? Customer, I would like the pasta with tomato sauce, please. Waiter, certainly. Would you like something to drink? Customer, yes. I would like a glass of water, please. Waiter, perfect. Your food will be ready soon. Customer, thank you very much. Great work. Now let us listen one more time. Try to understand without reading. Imagine you are really sitting in the restaurant. Listen carefully. Excellent listening. Now it is quiz time. Are you ready? Question 1. What did the customer order? Take a few seconds to think. Great. Question 2. What did the waiter ask after taking the food order? Think carefully. Wonderful. Question 3. Can you answer the waiter politely using I would like? Go ahead. Excellent speaking. You are doing a fantastic job today. Finally, let us review what we learned. Today we practiced how to order food at a restaurant. We learned useful vocabulary like menu, waiter, customer, order, and dish. We also practiced natural expressions like I would like. Can I have? Would you like something to drink? Could I have a few more minutes, please? These expressions will help you sound more confident in real conversations. Now I have a challenge for you. Imagine you are at your favorite restaurant. What would you order? Write your answer in English. Use at least 3 complete sentences. Do not worry about making mistakes. Every sentence you write helps you improve. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I truly appreciate your time and your support. If today's lesson was helpful, please share your thoughts or your answers in the comments below. I would love to read your comments and reply to as many of you as possible. Your ideas may also help other English learners. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. And if you know someone who is learning English, share this lesson with them. Learning is always more fun with friends. Thank you once again for being part of this wonderful learning community. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself. I look forward to learning with you again very soon. Until next time. Take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.